Okay, right. Yeah, we'll start binary coding. Do you have an idea on binary system in mathematics?
Yes, zeros and ones.
Yeah, zeros and ones only. See the question once. I'll read the question. In a certain code language, 0 is written as @ and 1 is written as $. There are no other symbols for all other numbers greater than 1. Other than these two, 1 and 0, @ and $, there are no other symbols for all other numbers greater than 1. Okay, so he is telling there are no other symbols, but he is not telling there are no numbers. Okay, numbers greater than 1 may be there. Suppose what if numbers greater than 1 are given? See, that point also he is mentioning. Numbers greater than 1 are to be represented by using these two symbols only. Even numbers greater than 1 are given also, we have to use the same, these two symbols only, @ and $. Okay, how to use them? He is telling in the next statement. See, the value of symbol for 1 doubles itself every time when it shifts one place to the left. When it shifts one place to the left. See, what he is telling is 0 is @ 1 is $, 2 is $, and @ 3 is $, and $. Okay, 4 is
Yes, sir. Dollar at the rate.
no, $, @ and @
Okay, like that. Okay.
Let me explain this data first. Suppose there are some positions. Suppose if $, is here, what is its value? Simply $, what is its value?
So 1.
Yeah, so he is telling that if the $, is shifted one position to the left, so $, is shifted here means there is no $, in the first place. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now what is there in this location? Nothing is there. Nothing means 0. 0 means what is the symbol for 0?
At the rate.
@ Now what is its value? See the list and tell what is its value.
2.
2. Previously $, value is 1, becomes double or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, previously it is 1, now it is 2, means it is doubled. Suppose if we shift one more position to the left, if we shift one more position to the left,
I didn't understand this one, sir. Like, how did I get it? How
Yeah.
did you get 17, sir, first?
I didn't go to the question yet. Okay, I'm explaining the concept only. I'm explaining this process. Okay. Yeah, if it is shifted one more position to the left, $, is shifted one more position to the left, so means nothing is there in this location. We can fill up that by 0. 0 means that is @ the rate. Now tell me what is its value in the given list? 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Previously it is 2, becomes double or not?
4. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what he is telling in this statement.
Okay, that was
The value of symbol for 1 doubles itself every time when it shifts one place to the left. Every time when it shifts one place to the left, it is doubling. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In the first place, it is 1.
1.
The next place, it is
2.
again. If it is double,
4.
4. 4 double is
8.
8 double,
16.
16 double,
32.
32, and so on. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Are these familiar numbers or not? These numbers
Yes,
are known
sir.
numbers. Tell me, what is the specialty of these numbers?
Sir, all are even.
No. Then
So,
there is
like,
a
they are double? Like 1,
All
2,
are
4, they are double?
yeah, that they are double only. Are there any more special things?
8 was. Sir, like if you multiply,
all even numbers?
we get an answer.
All are even
Like,
numbers only, but 10 is not there. 10 is also in even number. 6 is also not there. 6 is also in even number.
sir, I mean like 1 and 2 you get 2, 2 and 4 you get 8, 8 and 4 you get 32 like that.
Because it is doubling, it will happen automatically.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, these numbers are very familiar in nowadays, sir, because all of us have mobiles, right?
Yes, sir.
If it continues, see here, 1,
Okay, yes, sir. GB
yeah,
RAM.
yeah. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Next, 64, 128, 256,
256,
512,
512,
1024, 2046, and so on,
4096.
4096, and so on, right?
Yes,
What
sir.
are these numbers?
819.
These numbers are very familiar. They are memory storages, right?
Yes, sir.
What is your 4 memory? I think it is 64 GB
Yes, sir.
or
64,
32 GB,
128 GB.
128 GB, 256 GB. RAM. Yes or no? So these are memory storages, because computer also know only 0 and 1. That is why the numbers available are these numbers only. Okay, actually these numbers are, technically these numbers are,
So, a computer cannot have 3 GB as storage.
maybe 3 GB is also there, but standard, these are the standard numbers. Okay. That 3 GB may be the combination. Okay. These are direct
Okay, sir,
available memories.
understood.
These are direct available memories. So we can make a combinations also. Okay, see, technically these numbers are consecutive powers of 2. Yes or no? What is 2 power 0?
1.
1.
Or 1?
1.
No.
Okay, yes, sir. 2 powers binary was also about 2
2
power.
2
power
power
2.
0 is 1 and 2 power 1 is 1.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
2
2
power
power
3,
3, 2
8.
power 4, 2 power 5, and so on, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, these numbers are consecutive powers of 2. This is what I asked in the beginning. Is there any
Yes, sir. 2
specialty for
power
these
5.
numbers? Yeah, these numbers are consecutive powers of 2. So because it is binary system, binary means there are only 2 digits, 0 and 1. So it is in the powers of 2. If it is a decimal system system will be in the powers of
Sir, 10?
10. Deci means 10, na?
Yes, sir. 10.
Yeah, 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2. That is why we call the first place as units place, next place as tens place, next place as hundreds place.
100 place. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, this is the basic thing about the binary system. And now we'll go to the question. What is the code for 17? That is the question. What is the code for 17? Just tell me, these are the numbers available for you. Whatever the numbers are there in the box, so these numbers are available for you. Which numbers? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and so on. These numbers are available for you. And with these available numbers, you have to form 17. Tell me the combinations.
So 2 to the power 4 plus 1.
You can tell the directly numbers only. No need to name the powers.
16 plus 1.
16 plus 1.
Yeah, one possibility is 16 plus 1. Any other?
And then 32 minus
Okay. Here
14.
there are two conditions. Let me.
Sir, can we
that.
use 3?
16
Sir, can
plus
we
1.
use 3 combinations?
That is what I'm telling. See here. You can use 3 or 4 or 5 numbers, any more numbers, any numbers you can use. But see, the conditions are, number one is you have to use only plus operator. You should not use any other operator.
Yes, sir.
And second condition is you have to use one number once only. You should not use any number repeatedly.
So then 8 plus 9, 4 plus 13, 2 plus 15, 1 plus 16.
To form 17,
Yes, sir. 8 plus 9, 4 plus 13.
9 is not there now. From the available numbers only you have to form. These are the numbers available. These numbers are available.
Yes, sir. 8 plus 9.
9 is not there now.
Okay, let's 16 plus 1 is only valid.
Okay,
Now
16
both
plus
numbers
1
should
is
be there.
one combination. This is one combination. Okay. Any other combinations?
No, sir.
Yeah.
Like both
no.
numbers should be there here.
No. So because of these conditions, there will be no other possibility. We have to use only plus and we have to use one number once only. So to satisfy this condition, we have only one possibility. So that is why computers are that much popular. Why? Because every number has its unique code. Every number has only unique code. Okay. Got it? No two numbers code is not same. In case of binary system, no two numbers code is not same. For any two numbers, code is not same. Okay.
So for two twos, code is not same.
Sorry.
Like, sir, by for any number, two
Every number is having unique code. All the codes are different. In case of binary.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See.
30,
That is why-
so
that is
32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1.
to form 17.
No, sir, not for 17. I'm telling you can use each number to form the next number.
To find next number, which number? For which number next number?
Okay, so sorry, I didn't, nothing, sir.
Okay, this is the question here. What is the code for 17? To form 17 from the available numbers, we need 16 and 1. Okay. So see here, let me tell you one thing here. You have MCBs in your home, right? MCBs or switches, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
On that switch there is on and off.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, add the
Zero and
results
one.
for the close.
On some switches, there is no on and off. There will be 1 and 0.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Press 1 and 0.
Standardly, 1 means on or off.
So 1
On,
means
sir.
1
On.
means on, 0 means
off.
off. We can use it here. See how we will use it. So from the available numbers 32, 16, for 8, 4, 2 and 1, from 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and so on. From these available numbers, to form 17, keep the required numbers in on condition and all the remaining numbers in the off condition. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just tell me, to form 17, this one is required or not required?
1 is required.
Required means on or off?
On, dollar.
On means 1 or 0.
$1,
What is the symbol for 1?
dollar.
Dollar. Okay. 2 is required or not required?
Not
Not
required.
Not required means on or off?
Off,
Off.
Off means 1 or 0.
0.
Zero.
What is the symbol for 0?
At the rate.
Zero at rate.
At the
At
rate.
the rate.
4 means required or not
At
required?
rate.
Not
Not
required, sir.
required.
Not required, that's why at the rate. 8
Zero
is
at rate.
not
Not
required,
required.
that's why at the rate. 16 is
At rate.
Required, sir.
Required, dollar.
that's why dollar. Okay, 32.
Not required, sir.
32 not
Not
At the
required,
rate.
that's why at the rate. Now what is your option?
The C.
5 numbers.
Option
Yes,
C.
sir.
Easy?
Yes, sir. C.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So
So
are you
this-
going from left to right or right to left?
Right to left only. From right to left only we have to take. Always start a 2 power 0 at rightmost position. Okay,
Sir,
right.
then wouldn't the answer be, sir, then wouldn't the answer be B? Because it's dollar at the rate 3 times, then dollar at the rate.
Bro, it's right to left, right? So it's correct only.
Right to left only we have to take.
Yeah.
These
No,
two
sir,
are
that's
not
what I'm
same.
saying from.
Right to left means while taking the numbers right to left, but this is the final code. Whatever the code is
Okay,
available, that is
okay,
the
sir.
final.
Okay,
Don't
sir.
take the code in the reverse order. Okay. So this is one way
How,
of.
so how do you know? So how do you know this is the particular? These are the particular numbers. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32.
2 powers, na? This is the binary system. That is why powers of 2.
So they where did they mention binary system, sir?
Okay, nothing is mentioned, but actually, without mentioning anything about a binary system, just I have explained this point only. Yes or no? In the beginning, from this point only,
Yes, sir.
I have explained all these things, and finally we come to know all these numbers are consecutive powers of 2.
Okay, sir, understood.
Okay, all right. And this is one way of doing the question, converting in decimal number to binary. And there is another way of converting a decimal number to binary. See that thing also. To convert a decimal number to binary, what to do? Anybody, if anybody knows, tell me.
Yes, sir. We have to divide it by 2, sir. And what's the remainder? We have to add on the side.
Continuous
2
division
divided
by-
by 2
continuous
8, sir.
division by 2, right?
So we have to
Like
divide it by 2 and the remainders we should take it from the
The remainder on the side. On the
correct.
side.
Correct. 2, how many times it is? 8 times.
8.
16 remains.
16.
1.
1.
Remainder 1. Next, 2, how many times it is?
2 4s are
4s are.
Four
Remainder,
are 0.
0.
0.
remainder 0. And then 2, how
2
many times?
2s are
2 za.
1 second.
2s
My
are
pen is not working properly. 2 twos, remainder
0.
0. Again, next 2, how many times 2?
1, sir.
2 ones. Remainder
0.
0.
Zero.
In one, 2 will not go. That's why we have to stop here only. But here, tell me one thing. We have to take the code from top to bottom or bottom to top?
Sir, bottom to top, sir. Like
Yeah, from
reverse,
bottom
yeah.
to top, we have to take it.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me the codes
0,
from
0,
bottom
0,
to
yeah.
top. 1.
Sir, also we have to divide it with one set, like one time, sir. Yeah. We have to divide it by
Sir?
one time.
No. In 1, it will not go. 2 will not go. That's why we have to stop there only.
Okay, yeah. That's again, yes, sir. That's an extra
Okay.
area.
1 0 from bottom, 1 0, then again 0, and lastly 1. Yes or no?
1.
If you
Yes,
replace
sir.
these digits by symbols, then
Sir?
tell.
We get a dollar at the
Yeah,
at the-
somebody-
Sir, I didn't understand sir, I didn't understand the division method you're using.
Okay. Let me explain one more time. See, we have to divide the given number by 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 2, how many times it will go in 17? 8 times with remainder 1.
Sir, yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, that is what I have written here. 8 times with remainder 1. Again, this 8
Yeah,
we have to divide by 2.
Okay,
Again,
sir.
this 8 we have to divide by 2. 8, how many times it will go into?
4.
4 times. 2 4s are 8 with remainder 0. Yes or no, Sujay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Again, we have to divide this 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4 with remainder 0.
Yeah, sir. Yes. Understood.
Again, 2 1s are 2 with remainder 0. And in 1, it will not go. That's why we are stopping here. But remember this point, we have to take from bottom to top, not from top to bottom. Okay. So if you take the codes 1 0 0 0 and then 1, if you replace these digits by symbols, what is the code for 1?
Dollar.
Sir, dollar.
Then it is,
Yeah,
At the rate,
at the rate
at the
dollar.
rate.
yeah, at the rate. One
Sir,
So we
what
go
about the
from
last
bottom to
at
up,
the rate?
right?
Sorry.
We go from bottom to up, right?
Yeah, we have to take from bottom to top only.
Sir, what about the last at the rate in the previous question?
Yeah, I will go to that point only. This is our code. Actually, this is our code. But if you, with this answer, if you come to the options, that is available in first option. No, that is not available in first option. Cancel. But in second option, it is available. In third option, it is available. Even it is available in fourth option also. Okay. Now, how to decide the
Sir,
answer?
but if in an exam question they give dollar at the rate, then dollar, not at the rate, at the
And
rate.
the previous
Then
method
what
was
do you do?
easier, sir. So like, can we do with them?
Previous method is easy. No, see here.
Yeah,
See
sir.
here.
Previous method is
What is this? What is its value? What is its value? Read it. Read this number.
78.
78. Now tell me its value.
So
Meaning?
78.
78 only.
So
Now its value.
78.
78.
78. Okay, so we can add one zero before that.
Yeah, which
Yeah.
value? 780.
Okay.
So at
Now
least
it becomes
10,
70.
at least 10 on the right hand side, it will affect the value. But any number of zeros before number, it will not affect the value.
So,
Yes,
so
sir.
it's kind of like decimals, where after
yes.
a
This
meaningful
is
number, if you
actually-
put zeros, nothing like.
This is actually the code, but he has placed 10 on the right side. It will affect the value or not? It will affect. That's why.
So
it
it
is
will,
not-
so it will affect.
See the option D. He had added one digit, but it is on the left hand side only. But it is a valued digit. Yes or no? It is not 0. That is why it is
Yes,
also
sir.
will affect the value. Then answer is this one. So before, this is actually the code. This is actually the code. But before this code, we can add any number of zeros. Zeros, nothing but at the rates here in this question. Got it?
Yes, sir, understood.
But I suggest this method only. I suggest this LCM type method only. Because for smaller numbers, that method is okay. Numbers combination, taking a combination of numbers, that is okay. But the numbers are getting bigger, so that will take a lot of time. setting the numbers. Yes or no?
So we can just take a square, right? So 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2.
Which square?
You told us a binary system. It's 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2
Powers,
power.
not square. Okay, 2 powers, consecutive powers of 2. Okay, shall we move on to next question?
Sir, I did not understand the previous method, sir, the true power method.
Previous method, leave this method. Okay, as of now, leave this method.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
78
is
is
this clear?
what?
Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is okay for this number to decimal conversion. Sorry, decimal to binary conversion. This is the best method. Okay, moving on to second question. Tell me the answer for this. What is the code for 100? Tell the option answer.
Sir, 1 minute, just.
Okay. Okay, Piyush.
1 minute. Sir.
Everyone, do this.
Sir, I got the answer as dollar, 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 at the rate, dollar, at the rate, at the rate.
Which option? A, B, C, D, E.
D, sir.
Sir, D,
Sir,
sir.
even
Option
I
D,
got
sir.
D.
Sir,
D,
option
sir.
D.
Option
Option
D.
D.
Yes, sir.
D, sir, D, sir. D for dog.
D for dog.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Anybody with any more? Any other answer?
No, sir. D only, I guess.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Four,
Let me
three,
verify
7.
whether it is D
Oh,
or
yes.
not. 2.
Sir,
50 times
64 plus
remainder
32 plus
0.
4.
25
Yeah.
times remainder 0. 12 times remainder 1.
1.
6 times remainder
0,
0.
0. 0. Next. 3 times remainder
0.
0.
0.
1 time remainder
1,
1.
0.
1. 1. That's all.
Sorry.
1. In 1 it will not go. That's why we can stop there only. So we have to take
So,
from bottom to top. So if you take if you take from bottom to top, the digits are 1, 1,
1, 0,
0.
0, 1, 0.
1 second. 0, 0.
So, when taking the LCM, you got 25, right?
No, this is not actually the LCM. Okay, this is not LCM. LCM type division. Like LCM. Seems
No,
like
sir.
LCM, but not LCM.
So first step I understood where you took 250s or 100.
250
Then after
is
that,
100 with remainder 0.
yes, sir. Then 25 also I understood.
Then 2.
So then how did you get 2, sir?
This 2 is fixed. This 2 is common.
Okay, 12, sir. I thought it's 2. It looks like 2.
No, it is not 2. It is 12. 2 12s are
Okay, sir.
24 with remainder 1.
Okay, sir. Understood. I thought it was 2. Sorry, sir.
Okay, that is not 2. Okay, 1 1 0 0, then 1 0 0. So simply replace by symbols. So your option is a dollar, dollar, yes,
At the rate.
at the rate, dollar, at the rate, correct. Okay, so if you select first method, the number combination will take some extra time or not?
Yes, sir. It will take.
Yes, sir. First step will take lot of time.
Yeah, that is why I suggest this method only. Right. Next, I think we can see the next reverse question. No. This is not. This is also not reverse question. This is also direct question.
333.
Number is given. Find out the.
Sir, we can do.
Do it. Do it and tell the answer. Final answer.
Sir, it's option C, sir.
C.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us verify.
Sir,
So
option
1
C.
minute. Yes, sir. It's option C.
Okay, C. 2, how many times it is? 1, 60, 6
Six.
with remainder.
1, sir.
1, sir.
1 second, 166 with remainder 1. Okay. No. Okay. Next. 2, how many times? 83 with remainder.
1. 0, 0. 0.
With remainder 0. Okay.
The 2s are.
Okay.
Sir, I think it's B.
40.
1.
Sorry, 40.
So
Sir,
41,
41.
remainder 1.
41 remainder 1.
Sir,
Next.
not 41, sir. Sorry, sir. Yeah.
Correct only.
41
No, sir, it's
remainder.
41. It's
Yeah,
41.
it is.
20 with remainder
20. Remainder
1.
1.
1.
It's B.
10 with remainder
0.
0. Next.
5.
5 with
with
remainder
remainder
0.
0.
0. Next.
2
2 with
remainder
remainder
1. 1.
1.
2 with remainder 1. And finally
1 with remainder 0.
1 with the remainder 0.
Okay, if we take from bottom to top,
1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1.
Yes, sir. Option C.
0.
It is option C.
Yeah. 1 0. One zero 1 0 0 1 1 0 1. Okay, this is the code. 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1. Yes, correct. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Now let us take the
Sir,
reverse.
isn't the end? Sir, isn't the end 0? 1.
Sorry?
1 is 0, right? Sir, at the end it's 1 is 0, right?
Which one?
Sir, at the end it's for 1 it's 0, right? Reminder.
Yes, sir. That is 0 remainder only. This one is 0.
So shouldn't it start with 0?
No. We have to start it from there. The last digit. From 1, we have to start. In 1, it
Yes,
will
sir,
not go. That's why
understood.
1 from 1. Actually, if you want to continue, you can continue in this way. So 1 with remainder 0. Again, you have to divide that 2 by 1 by 2. In 2, in 1 it will not go. That's why 0 times 0 with remainder 1. Yes or no? 2 zeros are 0 with remainder 1.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this will be one more extra step. That's why I'm not
So,
preferring this
sir,
step.
for the end, we have to consider the digit and the remainder as well.
Yes. At the end, we have to consider the digit as well as remainder. Okay. Right. Yeah, this is the reverse question. Reverse means here I have given the symbol, means code is given, and you need to find the corresponding number for this code. Just tell me how to find this code. Sorry, how to find the number for this code.
So let's first write them into the number form, like 1 0 1
we
1
can
0 1.
calculate by 2.
Okay, that is not the number form. That is also code only, binary form, binary
Sir,
format.
we should convert into decimal
Sir,
form by 10, right?
How can you decimal? How can I convert this
Sir,
into
do we
decimal?
do all? Sir, do we do all 4 of them and then do? Or is it a time waste?
No, that is a
Sir, we
waste
can
of time.
simply Sir, we can like there are 6 numbers, right? So we can start from 0 and then we can just add up all the numbers like 201, 202 like that.
Which
Sir,
numbers?
you're supposed to
Like the
square,
only the
sir.
dollar numbers, sir. Like 2 to the power 0 and 2 to
Yeah,
the power
yeah,
3,
yeah,
2
yeah.
to the power
All the
4, 2
numbers
to
are
the
to be
power 6.
added. All the
Yeah.
numbers are to be added, or some numbers are to be ignored.
Sir, like only the dollar numbers should be added.
Yes, very good, excellent, correct. So, but we have to take, remember, but we have to take from the right side to left side. Okay. So the starting number is 1, next number is 2, next number 4, next is 8, next is 32, and so on. Okay.
16, right?
So,
So the
sorry.
option is C.
Yeah, I
32,
forgot
16.
16.
Yeah.
So I didn't understand what process we're using.
First method we are using. Okay, other than LCM method, I have told one more method. Okay, you don't need that method. See, I'm explaining here only. Take, this is the standard form. This is the standard form. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. This is the standard format. Okay. For this standard format, apply our code. Apply this code, this one, which is given in the question. 1 second. This code. Apply this code. First digit is, rightmost digit is dollar.
Sir,
Next is
45 is the answer, sir.
1
Yes,
second. Yeah, second place is at the rate.
At the rate.
Dollar.
Third is
Places.
dollar. Fourth is dollar.
Dollar again. Fifth is
At the rate.
at the rate, and last is
Dollar.
dollar. So here consider only on condition numbers, ignoring all off condition numbers. So 16 is an on or off one?
Off.
Off, that's why ignore this number. And 2 is on or off?
Off.
Off, that's why ignore this number and add all the remaining numbers.
Yes, sir. Sir, we'll be getting as 45, sir.
Sorry?
45.
Okay,
Sir,
final
45.
answer is 40. 32 plus
Yeah.
8 is 40
So
plus 5.
I didn't understand why are we adding only the dollars and also why are we doing from the first?
Why we are adding is they are not whichever zero symbols are there, they are not adding to the contribution. Sorry, they are not contributing to the total number. Only these numbers, dollar
Yeah,
numbers,
sir. Okay.
they
Okay,
don't.
then sir.
Got it, Sujay?
So but my other doubt is why are we doing from the start?
Sorry.
So why are we going from 2 power 0, 2 power 1 like that? Why are we doing?
Again, you are coming to the coming back to the starting place only, because it is a binary system. There are 2 powers only, consecutive
No,
powers.
sir, binary system I am understanding. But
Okay.
why are we doing here? This could be like after 32, 64 also could be.
Yeah, 64 also may be there, but that is not given. No? Here only up to 5 digits are given.
Okay, understood, sir, understood.
That is why only 5 digits, 5 symbols are given. That's why we are taking up to 5. If any more extra are given, we can consider. We have to consider 64, 128, 256 also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And here the answer is 45. Actually, if you know the procedure, this is easier than converting a decimal number to binary. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you don't know the procedure, this will be a big task. And let us do one more question and later we'll change the model. Yeah. Everyone, give the answer for this. First place is 1. Next place is 2. Next
2.
is 4,
4.
8, 16, 32, and then 64. Which numbers are in off mode?
Sir,
16, 8, and 2.
16, not
8 and
required.
2.
8, 2. Sir, 8 and 1. Sorry. Yeah. 16, 8, 1.
16 is not required, and 8 is not required, and 1 is also not required.
Sir, answer is 102.
Okay, so 102.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, 102.
I don't know what is the problem with this. Only for your batch it is happening like this. My pen is not working properly.
So
64
maybe
plus.
because it's a new platform.
Sorry.
So maybe because this is a new platform, this is not Zoom, that's why.
For other batches it is okay.
Okay.
Maybe the thing is SAR created this one, this what we call voice app, because the remaining batches I have created them, the groups,
Okay.
but this is SAR's ID. I think because of that reason. Okay, 1 or 2.
Yes, sir.
And shall we go to the next model, next and the last model?
Yes, sir.
What
So
is that model?
the PO, some like I don't
Sir,
know
the
what
same-
it's called, but
Sir, the
like
same
there'll be some
concept or-
words.
Aditya, tell me.
So the same concept or new model?
Different concept. The
Okay,
other
sir.
model, separate
Yeah.
model.
Yes, sir. This planet, sir. Sir, I saw this question once earlier.
Yeah, this is the model name, mixed
Sir,
coding
the question
and
came in FITG exam also, sir.
Yes, sir, this
yeah,
one.
Yes, sir.
very
Same
important
FITG
model.
exam.
Very important model. In every competitive, there will be some questions from this model. Okay, mixed
So
coding.
basically, we
football
just have to
subject.
cancel out.
Some students may call it as Chinese model, Chinese language. Okay.
Yes.
On the left hand side, if you see Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars means POS, PTS, JNE and ZNL. So on the left hand side, I'm reading like a word, right? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. I'm not reading MERCURY. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But on the right hand side, can you read by word by word?
Yes, sir. Pause, but
Post, parts,
something.
general.
No, if you read it as a word by word, then it will be some Japanese or some Chinese.
Yes, sir. Sir, the
Okay.
answer is pause.
Then we have to read it as a letter by letter only. POS, PTS, JNE and ZNL likewise. Okay. And if this type of question is given, just tell me. There are 4 statements. So statement 1, 2, 3 and 4. Suppose there is only first statement. Now tell me, what is the code for Mercury? If only first statement is given.
Sir, we have to
POS.
simply cancel out. No, sir.
Sir,
It
pause.
won't be in order. It won't be in order.
Listen to my question and tell the answer. Okay.
Sir,
If only
ZNL.
if only first statement is given, what is the code for Mercury?
Only first. Sir, it can be anything, sir. Any
Yeah,
out of
it can
the-
be anything of what?
any out of the 4. POS, PTS,
Yeah,
JNE,
it can be
ZNL.
POS or PTS or JNE or ZNL. We cannot say any one.
Sir,
We
but
cannot
so
fix
they're
any.
directly, so they're given it in order, right? Mercury,
No,
Venus,
they are
Earth,
not
Mars.
given an order. They are not given in an order. For these 4 words, those are the 4 codes. We don't know which one for which one. Which code is for which one? Which word we can't say. Okay.
We simply have to cancel out the common parts.
Yeah. So here the logic is
Mercury is ZNL.
common words. 1 second. Common words.
Select process start video the thing. Like in the first one, Mars is put it as ZNL.
No. Here we don't need to process the
So the-
information. Okay.
Answer can be ZNL for the first question.
But we need the second statement for the first answer, right? Like for Mercury.
Yeah, with one statement, it is not possible to
Yeah.
find all the codes, right? So with the help
Yes,
of
sir.
another statements, we can find the codes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here the logic is if it is possible, you can write it. It is not possible for me to write this point here. For common words, we have to take common codes. For uncommon words, we have to take uncommon codes. Okay, that is the logic here. Common words to common codes, uncommon words to uncommon codes.
So
Got it?
meaning I didn't understand the last part.
Common words to common codes, uncommon words to uncommon codes.
Yes, sir. The last part meaning I didn't understand that. Like uncommon words to uncommon codes.
Uncommon means which is not there anywhere except in one statement.
Okay, sir.
See, if you want, I can give one example here. Uranus, Jupiter, Mercury, Mars.
The Jupiter.
Yeah, you can take. No.
It's a
Jupiter is
Jupiter
not.
is-
Jupiter is a common word. Mars is a common word or uncommon word here?
So common, sir. Last
Yeah,
is
it's
a common.
common. It's in the
Okay,
last
Mars
one.
is also common. Okay. I think
Neptune.
every word is
The
common here.
Saturn. No,
The
sir.
Neptune.
No, sir,
Okay,
everything is
here-
common, sir.
Neptune.
Yes, where is Neptune again, sir?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir,
only one.
Neptune. Correct. Neptune is the uncommon word. Okay, it is not there anywhere except in statement 3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is called uncommon word. So for this uncommon code on the right hand side, we have to search for uncommon word only.
Sir, ELM.
Yeah.
Okay, let us see
Yeah.
all those things. So here we don't need to process the information in the beginning only. Directly we can go to the question. What is the code for Mars? Tell me, Mars is a common word or uncommon word?
It's a common word and
Common,
it is
Common
somewhere.
word.
Common, and it is there in
Yes.
statements.
1 and 4,
1
sir.
and 4.
1 and 4. In 1 and 4, what are the common codes?
POS.
Earth and Mars.
POS and
Neptune is-
JNE.
Yeah.
POS,
And
And
JNE.
JNE.
JN.
JNE. Okay. One second.
So, but it cannot be JNE since in the third line, Earth
Yes,
is
yes.
Earth is given and
Earth
it's
is JNE.
so it has to be.
Yeah, POS is common as well as JNE is also common. But see, if you see the third statement, yes or no? Third statement, JNE is there on the right hand side, but there is no Mars on the left hand side. So that's why we can say JNE cannot be the code for Mars. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, but JNE came thrice, sir. So JNE is the code for which one?
JNE is the code for the
Earth.
other word.
Earth.
Earth is common, no?
Earth. Okay, Earth came 3 times.
See,
Yes, sir.
whatever is required, that thing you can see. We don't need much. Okay, for this
Yes,
question,
sir.
Mars. With the same information, I have given another question. See here. What is the code for Saturn, Neptune?
Sir, can you go to the previous question and explain again?
Same only. The data is same. I will explain the same thing here also.
No,
Okay.
sir. What's the actual code for Mars? What was it?
Okay. Mars is there in first and fourth statements. So in first and fourth statement, there are 2 codes common, POS as well as JNE. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But if you see the third statement, JNE is there in third statement also. Without Mars on the left hand side, JNE is there on the right hand side, means so we can say JNE is not the code for Mars.
Yes, sir.
Then the other common code is POS. We can confirm POS for Mars.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Coming to the next question, Saturn and Neptune, both the words are available in a single statement.
Yes, sir. They are available.
Both the
in
words,
the-
no, both the
No,
words
sir.
are not available in a single statement. Okay, so first we'll find the code for
The Neptune is uncommon one.
uncommon
Yes,
word.
sir.
On the right hand side, JNE, because it is common, it cannot be the code. TND, it is not, it is common,
The
that is why it
ELM, I
cannot be
guess.
the code. Yeah,
Sir,
OTS is also
ELM.
common word, common code, that is why it cannot be the code. Then answer is ELM. ELM is for
ELM.
Neptune.
Neptune.
Neptune. Okay.
But
Now
for
coming-
Saturn, it is OFS.
Saturn is a common word or uncommon word?
Common, sir.
Common.
Common, and it is
It
there
is
in two
OFS.
statements.
Sir,
Sir, OFS.
2 and 4, sir, and
It
it
is
is
there in
in
2 and 4.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
On the right hand side. On the right hand side,
On the right hand,
are common.
so OFS and
T
TND,
and
sir.
OFS.
Sir, TND.
Yeah, TND and OFS, both the codes are common. But if we come to the third statement, TND is there. Yes or no?
Yeah.
But
Yes,
there is,
sir.
but there is no Saturn on the left hand side.
Left hand side.
Yes, sir.
So without Saturn, it cannot be the code. So TND
Yes, sir.
cannot be the code for Saturn. Then OFS is the
It'll be-
code for
Okay.
Saturn.
That OFS and TND. Sorry, ELM.
Yes, sir.
OFS and ELM compulsory should maintain the same order.
No, sir. Not at all.
No. So here it is given like OFS and ELM. This is okay. But even though if it is given like ELM and OFS is also correct because it's a mixed coding. Orders may be,
Yes, sir.
the words may be in order or they may not be in the same order. Okay.
Sir, what if they give both the options, OFS and
No, both will not be
ELM, then
available.
what do you do?
Both will not be available because both are correct then in that case.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So if both are given, then there will be an option like both of the
Both A and
options.
B, yes, correct. There may be options like both A and B, both B and C. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And with the same information, same data, one more question. It's a reverse question. Here code is given, PTS stands for. PTS stands for. Tell me, PTS is a common code or uncommon code?
Uncommon, sir.
Uncommon, and it is there in which statement?
First one.
So first,
Okay, tell me, Mercury is a common word
Venus.
or uncommon word?
Common, sir. No, sir.
Common
Uncommon.
means it cannot be the code. Okay. Venus is common or uncommon?
Uncommon, sir.
Uncommon means it can be. Okay. Earth is common or uncommon?
Yes, sir. This common. Earth
Common
and Mars.
means it cannot be. It cannot be. Next, Mars is common or uncommon?
Common, sir. Common.
Common means it cannot be. Then only one is remaining, that is
Venus.
Venus. So the answer is Venus. Understood the way?
Sir,
method?
but Earth is common, right? Earth is there in first one and
Yeah,
last one.
because Earth is common, that's why we are cancelling it. Because PTS is not common, no?
Okay, sir, understood.
Okay, PTS is there in only first statement. That is why we are searching for a word which is there in only first statement. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
One more question for the same information. Here
Sir,
the
we
code,
already. Yes, sir.
JNE, TND, and OFS. So if
Sir, it
any
should
information
continue.
is, if any information is already done, we can use that. Already
Yes, sir.
processed information we can take. Tell me, what is the code
Sir,
for
and-
TND? TND is already processed.
option is C.
Sorry,
Sir, C is
I
option.
think Uranus. TND.
TNT is Venus, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, Uranus. Okay. JNE is also already
Jane
processed.
is Earth.
Sir, it is.
Earth.
Earth.
No,
sir.
sir. Not Earth. It is.
Sir,
It is
are
Earth.
questions interrelated?
Yes, sir. Earth. Yes, sir.
It
Earth
is
only.
Earth.
Okay. Now
Sir,
we'll
are
find
questions
ODS.
interrelated?
Sorry.
Earth.
Sir, are questions related like
Sir,
previous
option.
question and
They are related only. So see, this much information is given. He will not ask only one question. If this type of information is given, he will ask 2-3 questions, sir, based on the same information.
okay, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
is
Jupiter, sir. OTS is Jupiter.
So OTS means Jupiter. So that's all. So these 3 words should be there, but they may be in the same order or they may not be in the same order. These 3 words should be available. That's all. Select the option
Sir,
in which
option
the
C, that is.
3 words are available.
Option C.
Yes, options is
C.
Jupiter, Uranus, and Earth. That is our answer. Okay. Right. And one more question. Tell me the code for Moon and Earth.
Sir, Moon is available.
Moon is not there, sir.
Means I think question is incorrect, right?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. We have to take from outside the code. Whatever is not there in the code, that will be moon.
Very good, Sujay. Very good.
And KLM, I guess.
Yeah, that is the logic here. So if any new word is given, is given, we have to search for a new code.
Yes, sir.
We have to search for a new code which is not available in this list.
Yes, sir. Sir, it will be B.
Option B, sir. JNE, KLM.
First, tell me what is the code
JNE,
for Earth?
Earth
JNE.
is JNE. So we have to find it JNE.
JNE.
But
Okay.
cause is also already there.
JNE, yeah, JNE compulsory should be there, and the third one should be, sorry, the second code must be any word which is not there in this list.
KLM.
me-
KLM.
KLM.
Along with the JNE,
KLM.
POS is a new code or existing code?
Existing.
Existing means it cannot be the answer. Okay. Second option, JNE and KLM is a new code or not?
New code, sir.
New
New
code
code.
means it can be the answer. So this, in option C, KLM is there, okay, but JNE compulsory should be there. But JNE is not there, that's why this is cancelled. Yes or no? For
Yes, sir.
for Earth, compulsory JNE should be there. Along with the JNE, it can be any new code. For Moon, it can be any new code. But in option C and option D, there is no JNE. That's why these 2 options are cancelled. Then answer is
B, sir. But how do we know that, like, how do we know that KLM is the code for moon, sir?
According to
We
the
did not
options
give it
only.
right.
According to the options only. It can be any new word. According to these options, it is the word.
So why can't we not be none of these, sir? Because it not give it
Yeah,
right.
actually, there is a problem in asking the question only. Generally, he will ask in this way: what is the possible code for moon and earth?
Okay, sir.
Okay. What is the possible code for moon and earth? Is it a possibility or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It is
it's a possibility, then it is the answer. His intention is finding that one only. For a new word, they will search a new code or not. Yes, so students will search for a new code or not. That is his intention behind this question. Okay. Yeah. And separate information. We'll do 1 or 2 questions based on this, and later we'll wind up the session. I think you have a class, right? At 7 p.m. Sorry, 8 p.m. Yes or no?
Class?
I think A section or B section, you have class at 8 o'clock.
So
No,
B
sir,
section, sir. A section we have at 5 o'clock, sir.
Yeah, sir. We don't have a class.
Okay, okay. We'll do this question and we'll wind up the session. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is just the same concept.
Sir, MP.
Same concept.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
MP.
What is the code for out?
Yes,
Out is the
MP.
common word or
MP.
uncommon word?
Common, sir, MP.
Common word, it's MP.
MP.
EMP, correct. Because only MP is common. Okay. If 2
Yes,
codes
sir.
are common, we'll go for another statement. But here, these 2 statements are enough.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Option.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer
Sir, I
for this.
didn't understand how did they get it so quick, the previous question.
Out. From
Yes,
these 2
sir.
statements.
There's only one thing common, right?
Only one thing is common, that is out. On the right hand side,
Okay.
only MP is common.
Okay, sir, understood.
Next. This one.
Try the keys to.
This is extra information. What is the code for? Key and lock. Key and lock.
Try to find the lot.
Key and lock. And is here.
E we don't have, sir.
Sir, and is only uncommon, sir.
And is the only common, sir. ZH it should be there. Ka and
Sir, and should be YC.
ZH.
Yeah, because it is the only
Uncommon.
Yes, YC. Okay. And for
So,
lock,
lock also is RV, sir. It's uncommon.
because it is uncommon, RV. Along with
RV.
YC and RV, and we can
Neither.
use this information in which is given in question 2. This information we can use.
Sir,
Try.
it can be ZH also, right?
Sorry?
And.
For and,
Yes, sir.
try. Let me check the
There's
words.
no other thing for.
Just tell me. GA is a common code or uncommon code?
J is common, sir.
Common. That's why cancel. MP.
MP.
Common. That's why cancel.
Common.
ZH.
Sir, but in the try the key,
Uncommon,
YC
sir.
is given, sir.
Yeah. 1 second. So here the possible code for and is either YC or ZH. We should not ignore
Sir, in the
it.
try the key, YC is given, sir. Try the key, YC is
YC
given.
is for the try the key, right? It's not.
Yes, sir.
See,
So it should be ZH, right? Because
ZH
YC we
is
already
also
know it's
given,
the.
right?
Yeah. So ZH should be the answer, sir.
So,
For
okay,
and.
YC or ZH, anyone is given, okay. We will take anyone. If he has given anyone,
So
we'll
ZH will be because try the key does not have and, right? But it has YC.
Yes, sir.
which
Try the
one?
key has YC, but it does not have and.
Which one?
Sir, try the key, sir. Main question 2.
Try the key is coded as.
Try the key. Okay, question number 2. Try the key.
Yeah. Then
New,
YC,
YC.
right?
Yeah, so here we can cancel YC because YC
Yes,
is
sir.
common in try. YC
Yes,
is for
sir.
try. So
Try,
then
yeah.
we cancel YC, then ZH is the possible, only code for?
Yes, sir.
Only
The
code for?
For
And.
and.
Okay, right. For this one,
The
it is
lock
ZH.
stand for RV. Lock is for RV.
Lock
So then
is the
option
only
C.
common one.
Sir, option A, sir. Option. No, sir. It's not option A. Yeah.
Option C, sir.
Tell me,
Option
NU
C.
is the common or uncommon? NU, common cancelled. MP,
Common, sir.
common cancelled. FN,
Common.
common cancelled. Okay, RV.
Common.
Oh,
RV, sir.
it is.
Sir,
Okay,
the
then we'll meet in the
presentation
next
is
class.
short.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, bye. Okay,
Thank
bye.
you,
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye,
you.
sir.
Bye, sir. Take care.
Bye.